Hey, good morning. Steve here with Time BBQ. Today, we're rolling up gangster style. Dug out a small end cut of a New York strip loin, and we're seasoning that up, and you can see the chimney in the background back here. It's getting ready. We're cooking on the chimney with a grill grate. Cartel gangster style. Stand by. This is the end cut of the strip loin that I bought. Really rectangular. It's probably 2.5 inches tall, 2.5 inches thick. We're gonna season it up and take it out to the grill, cartel style. Today we're gonna be seasoning it with my rub, which is salt, pepper, garlic, with additional spices I'm working on, and we'll see how this turns out. This is the seasoned New York strip steak. Chimney's out firing up pretty soon. We'll be putting on the grill grate, cooking cartel style. Here's our steak cooker today, chimney, grill grate. This is really a thick cut. We're going to see where we're at internal temperature. As you can see, we're about 93 degrees. So we got a long way to go. At this point, the steak has rested about 10 minutes. Internal temperature is about a 134. And that should be about medium. I really like the mahogany color, and I'm okay with char. This is a backyard cook, and it's going to taste great. So don't want to gross anybody out. These are pan juices that ran off from some of the butter that was put on at the end, so it has some butter and rub and meat juices in it, which have been cooked, obviously, coming out of the meat. We are going to save those and use those for a dipping sauce for our pieces of steak. I have no idea how this is going to turn out. I'm going to try to slice this steak one-handed and holding my phone in the other. I'd call that a win. Going for a bite. Yeah, that's a great little steak. I think I'll continue to tweak the rub a little bit, but pretty happy with this. Nothing wrong with this, folks. Don't need a big grill to cook a really great tasting steak. Just use a chimney and a grill grate, or a metal expanded grate if that's all you have. Season the steak, put it on, take it off when it's done, let it rest, eat it. Steak. It's what's for dinner.